Hi friends, this is Mohammed Gibran and welcome to our C tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you how to write a program which will help you to write to the files. So if you want to write to a file, you would first have to create a pointer to that file. So for that, we will use this keyword file and we will create one variable which will hold the address of our required file. And into this pointer file, this file pointer, we are going to give away the address of our required file which we want to open. So to open a file, we will use a function known as fopen, and it has two parameters. The first parameter is the destination, okay, where you want to write this file. Okay, so in this first parameter, we will be giving the destination, where is our file situated, and where we want to write the text. And in the next parameter, we can tell our program what we want to do with this file. Either we can write it, we can write new text into it, we can append a text into it. Append, if we want to append, then we will be adding the new text after the previous text. Means we will not be erasing the previous text, while whereas if we go for writing the text, it will erase off all the previous content and it will write whatever we have given in the last run. So to append a text file, you have to use a keyword A. To write a file, you have to use W, and to read a file, you have to use R. We will be doing all of these, but for this tutorial we will be going to just write the file. So the destination of file, in this first of all, I will just give a text file. Okay, I'm not giving any path to it, so it will create the file in my root directory that for this compiler, that is C tcwin45 bin. In that bin folder, it will create a file named as file.txt. So once we have created that file, we can go and add the text into it. To write a text, we will require a function that is fprintf. We write printf for printing to the consoles, and we will use fprintf, that is file print, to write the contents to that file. Okay, so over here we will first of all pass the path where our file is stored, and this will not be in the quotation marks. This will be the path that is defined over here. So we are passing this path as the first variable, and in the second variable we will be passing the type of data we want to write. Now here we would like to pass a string, so I'm using %s, and then in another quotation marks I will be giving away the text which I want to write to the file. So this is a line written from C code. Okay, so once this file is created, we will be writing away this line, and once we are done with working with our file, we have to close it because we need to release all the resources. So we should close our file, and once we had closed it, I would just give a simple printf as just a notification to tell us that yes, we have did it successfully. Yeah, command executed successfully. Okay, so now we can go and try to execute this program. So yeah, it says the command executes successfully. So now let us go and check in our C directory. You see over here I have a file with the name file, which is a text file. If I open it, it has the content as this is a file written from C code. and suppose if you would like to give a path like this, just copy and paste. So now when we execute this code, we are going to take this path, and if I open this path, so let me just delete this file. Now you can see that we don't have any file in this folder. That is my D test. Inside the test folder I have one more folder named as test. In that I don't have any file over here, and I have given the same test path over here. So if I run this program now, okay, I need to close this process first. Closed. Now if I run this program, yeah, it says the command executed successfully. So if I go back and check, here I have a file. If I open it, it says this is a line written from C code. So as you can see, we did not have this file .txt created in our folder, but as we use this function, it found out that we don't have that file, so it created that file for us. So this is how you write the program for writing to files. Similarly, we will be going to see how to read text from file, how to display it to the console. So hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.